In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse JSON lines in make.com. For those who aren't familiar, JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. It's a common data format used for asynchronous browser-server communication, including as a replacement for XML, in some Ajax-style systems. We'll start by navigating to the make.com website. This is the first step in the process. Open your preferred web browser and type in the make.com URL. Think of make.com as your go-to platform for connecting apps and designing workflows. It's versatile and extremely powerful, especially when dealing with tasks like these. Once on the homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. If you haven't already created an account, just follow their straightforward sign-up process. Otherwise, simply click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll want to head to the Make home. From here, you can access a plethora of options for automation and integration. The Make home is essentially your control center, where you can manage existing workflows or create new ones from scratch. Next up, navigate to the New Scenario section. A scenario in make.com is basically the workflow you're going to create, which allows you to perform specific automated tasks. You will find the button to add a new scenario on your dashboard. Click on the Add button to begin setting up your scenario. This is where the magic really starts to happen, as it allows you to define exactly what you want your new workflow to accomplish. You'll see a search bar appear, which comes in handy for quickly finding what you need. Now, type JSON into the search bar. The goal here is to locate the JSON module, which you'll use to parse your JSON lines. JSON modules are essential for working with structured data in the make.com platform. By clicking on JSON, you're telling make.com to prepare to handle that specific type of data. The platform will guide you through the necessary configurations to ensure your JSON data is handled correctly. The final step in this initial setup is to click on Parse JSON. This is crucial because parsing is the action of taking the JSON data, usually a string, and transforming it into a format that you can easily interact with, or use in more actions or modules within your scenario. And there you have it. You've completed the groundwork for parsing JSON lines in make.com. Remember, once you're comfortable with these basics, make.com offers a multitude of additional features and integrations, which can further enhance your automation workflows. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!